I'm going to show you how to make a texture stamp out of a blank in this video. The first thing you do is you just sand the bit end down a little smoother so it'll stamp better. Next, we're going to put the blank bit in the bottom tool holder, and we are going to use the hardened tools to cut into the not hardened piece of annealed A2 steel. Because it's annealed, it will be cut by hardened steel. As you can see, that did pretty good cutting into that there. Now that all the cutting is done for this piece, we are going to go harden it. Once it's hardened, you cannot go back and cut it. Because this is air hardening steel, what we are going to do is we are going to get it glowing orange, and then we are going to let it harden in the air. We are just going to put it down and let it cool and leave it alone. In order to temper this without using a tempering kiln, you have to see the oxide colors. So I am getting this back to white metal so that I can see the oxide colors, which tell the temperature. Tempering is letting some of the hardness out by reheating it. Because this is A2 steel, it is incredibly hard, so I err on the slightly higher temperature side. That's about 600 degrees, and I just let it cool down now. Alright, now it's cooled, and it is ready to use. So I am going to stamp a piece of 5/32 inch steel here, and well, I guess I'll turn it into a bracelet, I think, because that's probably what this should be. And there you have it. That is what it looks like once it is stamped into steel. And yeah, that's the process of taking a blank and turning it into a texture plate. I sell the blanks on the website and they go well with the Metalman jewelry press. So if you're interested, go check out MikeEdelmanArt.com and you can get a blank and the press.